Hello everyone, this is Hardik from Team Mastering Up, and today we're going to take a look at marketing planning and execution. Let's get started. Before embarking on any marketing initiative, it's crucial to have a clear and well-defined strategy. This strategy serves as your compass guiding your every move. It involves understanding your current market position, identifying your ideal customers, setting realistic goals, and outlining the specific actions you will take to achieve them. This roadmap ensures your marketing efforts are focused, efficient, and ultimately drive the desired results for your business. Here are all the modules which will be covered. By the end of the course, you will develop a foundational understanding of marketing principles, master the process of creating a comprehensive marketing plan, enhance critical thinking and problem solving skills, develop practical skills in marketing research and analysis, gain experience in using marketing tools and technologies. Let's start with what's a marketing plan? A marketing plan is a comprehensive document that outlines a company's advertising and marketing efforts for a specific period. It details the current marketing position of a business, identifies the target market, and discusses the marketing mix to be used to achieve marketing goals. By clearly defining strategies, tactics, budgets, and timelines, a well crafted marketing plan ensures that all marketing efforts are aligned and work together to achieve desired business outcomes, such as increased brand awareness, market share, and revenue growth. Let's see how market planning is useful. A well-defined plan ensures your marketing efforts are focused and targeted. You're not just throwing spaghetti at the wall and hoping something sticks. This leads to better use of resources like time, money, personnel, and a higher return on investment. Few uses of market planning are increased accountability. A clear marketing plan with defined roles and responsibilities increase accountability within the organization. Everyone understands their contribution to the overall marketing strategy, leading to great efficiency and better coordination across teams. Improve decision making. By analyzing data and understanding your target audience, you can make informed decisions about which marketing strategies will be most effective. This reduces the risk of wasting resources on campaigns that won't deliver results. Clear goals and objectives. A good plan outlines specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound or smart for short goals. This provides a clear direction for your marketing efforts and makes it easier to track progress and measure success. Enhanced brand consistency. A marketing plan helps ensure that all your marketing messages and achieved activities are constant across all channels. This builds a strong brand identity and strengthens customer recognition. Adaptability and flexibility. Well, a plan provides a framework, it's not set in stone. Well-crafted plan allows for flexibility to adapt to changing market conditions, customer preferences, and competitor actions. Improved communication and collaboration. A shared marketing plan facilitates better communication and collaboration within your team and with other departments within your organization. Everyone is on the same page regarding marketing goals and strategies. Attracting investors. Well-crafted marketing plan showcases a deep understanding of the market and a strategic approach to growth, which is essential for attracting investors and securing the necessary funding for business expansion. Data-driven decision-making. By setting clear, measurable goals and tracking key performance indicators, you can analyze the effectiveness of your campaigns, identify areas for improvement, and make informed adjustments to your strategies. This data-driven approach ensures your marketing efforts are always optimized for maximum impact. Now let's learn how to create a marketing plan. Creating a successful marketing plan is like charting a course for a business. It involves a deep understanding of your target audience, your competitive landscape, and your own unique strengths and weaknesses. This roadmap will guide your marketing efforts, ensuring they are focused, efficient, and ultimately drives the result you desire. Think of it as a strategic blueprint that outlines your marketing objectives, identifies your target audience, and defines the specific strategies and tactics you will employ to reach them. By carefully considering factors like marketing trends, competitor analysis, and your budget, you can create a plan that maximizes your impact and helps you achieve your business goals. Let's look at the factors when creating marketing plan. Number 1. Executive summary. Briefly outline your business, its mission, and the purpose of marketing plan. State your key marketing objectives. Number 2. Situational analysis. Internal analysis. Strengths. What are your competitive advantages? Weaknesses. What areas needs improvement? External analysis. Market overview. Industry trends, size, growth potential, etc. Competitive analysis. Who are your competitors? What are their strengths and weaknesses? Target market segmentation. Divide your market into smaller, more manageable groups, example demographics, psychographics, behaviors, etc. Target audience. Define your ideal customers in detail, example age, interest, needs, pain points, etc. SWOT analysis. Summarize your internal strengths and weaknesses and external opportunities and threats. Number 3. Marketing objectives. Set smart marketing goals. Specific, clearly defined and focused. Measurable, qualifiable with specific matrices. Achievable, realistic and attainable within the given time frame. Relevant, aligned with your overall business objectives. Time bound, set within a specific time frame. Fourth, marketing strategies. Outline your over marketing approach. Consider the 4 P's of marketing. Product. What are your key product features and benefits? How does your product differentiate itself from competitors? Price. Determine your price. Example, cost plus value based, competitive, etc. Consider discounts, promotions, and price tiers. Number 4. Marketing strategies. Place or distribution. How will you get your product to your customers? Direct sales, retail partners, e-commerce. Promotion, marketing mix, advertising, example, online ads, social media ads, TV, radio, public relationships, example, press release, media outreach. Sales promotions, example, discounts, contests, loyalty programs. Direct marketing, example, email marketing, SMS marketing. Content marketing, example, blog posts, social media content, videos. Number 5. Marketing budget. Allocate budget to each marketing activity and channel. Consider potential return on investment for each activity. Number 6. Implementation plan. Create a detailed action plan with timelines, responsibilities, and key performance indicators for each marketing activity. Finally, monitoring, evaluation, and control. Track your progress towards your marketing objectives, regularly analyze your results, and make adjustments to your plan as needed. Use data and analytics to identify what's working and what's not. Here are a few tips for creating marketing plan. Conduct thorough research. Gather data on your target market, competitors, and industry trends. Involve your team. Get input from different departments within your organization. Be realistic and flexible. Your plan should be adaptable to changing market conditions. Regularly view and update. Your marketing plan should be a living document that is regularly reviewed and updated based on your performance and new opportunities. Now let's take a look at case study of Fiction Tech, a fiction welding company. Fiction Tech is a mid-sized manufacturer of high-quality friction welding equipment and services. They have a strong reputation in the aerospace and automotive industry, but are facing increased competition from low-cost foreign manufacturers. Challenges: price pressure, intense competition from overseas manufacturers with low labor costs, brand differentiation, difficulty standing out from competitors in a crowded market, saturation, reaching new customer segments with limited marketing budget, declining scale, a slight decline in sales volume in recent quarters. Marketing objectives: increase brand awareness, position Fiction Tech as the industry leading and advanced friction welding technology, generate qualified leads, attract potential customers in key target industries, expand market share, increase sales volume by 15% within the next year, enhance customer loyalty program, build strong relationships with existing customers. Marketing strategies: content marketing. Develop high quality informative content, blog posts, white papers, case studies, showcasing the benefits of fiction text technology. Utilize SEO techniques to improve search engine rankings for relevant keywords. Industry events. Participate in key industry trade shows and conferences to showcase product and network with potential clients. Sponsor industry events to increase brand visibility and generate leads. Digital marketing. Implement target online advertising, example Google Ads, social media ads to reach specific customer segments. Utilize email marketing to nurture leads and build customer relationships. Customer relationship management or CRM. Implement a CRM system to track customer interactions, identify sales opportunities, and improve customer service. Product innovation. Invest in research and development to develop new and innovative friction welding technologies to maintain a competitive edge. Key performance indicators or KPIs: website traffic, lead generation, conversion rate, customer acquisition cost, customer lifetime value, social media engagement, brand mentions in industry publications. Implementation timeline. Develop a detailed timeline for implementing each marketing activity. Budget allocation. Allocate budget to each marketing channel based on expected ROI. Team role. Assign specific roles and responsibility to team members. Regular monitoring. Track progress against KPIs, making adjustments as needed. By implementing a comprehensive marketing plan focused on content marketing, industry events, and digital marketing, and customer relationship management, Friction Tech can effectively address its challenges, increase brand awareness, generate leads, and achieve its sales growth objective. Continuous monitoring, analysis, and adaptation will be crucial to ensure the long-term success of market plan. A well-defined marketing strategy is paramount for business's success. It provides a roadmap for your marketing efforts, guiding your decision and ensure they are focused and effective. By understanding your target audience, conducting market research, setting smart goals, and implementing a mix of effective tactics, you can build a strong brand, gain a competitive edge, and achieve your business objectives. Continuous learning and adoption are crucial to ensure your strategy remains relevant and effective in the ever evolving marketing landscape. Armed with the knowledge and tools gained, you can now confidently embark on your marketing journey and drive sustainable growth for your business. With this, we have now come to an end. I hope you understand market planning and execution in a better way. This is Hardik from Team Mastering Up, and thank you for watching.